pirates standing tall, with clothespins and colors, creative and bright. A DIY adventure, filling our hearts with light. The sun is shining, a brand new day. With brushes, paper, we're ready to play. Clothespins transform into heroes so grand, in our world where imagination takes a stand. We craft our figures, big and small. Princess, superhero, knight, pirate standing tall, with clothespins and colors, creative and bright. A DIY adventure, filling our hearts with light. Splash by splash, a fairy tale unfolds, with vibrant colors every story molds. Brushstrokes dance into an enchanting beat, a homemade happiness, oh what a treat. We craft our figures, big and small. Princess, superhero, knight, pirate standing tall, with clothespins and colors, creative and bright. A DIY adventure, filling our hearts with light. Guided by imagination, on a creative spree, discovering worlds, just you and me. A touch of magic in each stroke we make, a DIY world, a unique, heartfelt wake. We craft our figures, big and small. Princess, superhero, knight, pirate standing tall, with clothespins and